Hey, Dad, what are you going to cut that wood with?
I'm gonna cut it with my hand.
No, I got something better.
Oh yeah?
It's a mini electric chainsaw.
Gee, let me see that. Sweet.
Let's see what this bad boy can do.
Whoa, look at that. Got the oil, with the tools in there. Woo, look at that bad boy. Man. Let's put the battery in there and see what it'll do. Let's see this. Whoa, buddy. That's pretty tough.
Well, show us how it works.
Whoa, that's faster than my hand for sure. Let's try that again. Dang, boy. That's legit there. Get y'all one, man. You'll love it.